Everyone thinks the best-selling mini blenders are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, NutriBullet Personal Blender. The NutriBullet Personal Blender is a popular choice for smoothie lovers. Priced at $63.18, its powerful 600-watt motor caught my attention right away. If you want a reliable blender that can handle everything from smoothies to frozen drinks, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 600 watts of power means it can easily crush ice and blend tough ingredients like spinach or kale, giving you a smooth texture every time. Plus, it's got a 24-ounce capacity, so you can make enough for yourself and maybe a friend. With over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this blender for their daily dose of nutrition. Now, some people complained about it being a bit loud. Here's the thing though, a powerful motor often comes with some noise. If you're someone who blends in the morning while others are sleeping, this might be a deal breaker. But honestly, the performance you're getting here is pretty hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want a strong, reliable blender that can handle any smoothie challenge. Skip this one if you're looking for something super quiet or compact for travel. For the price, it delivers excellent value. Now, if the noise level of the NutriBullet bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Enthusiast CB08 Blender. Next up is the Enthusiast CB08 Blender, a budget-friendly option priced at just $35.38. What really grabbed my attention was the 900 peak watts of power and the included 11-piece set. If you want versatility without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With 900 watts, it can handle ice and frozen fruits, making smoothies a breeze. The blender comes with 3 portable to-go cups, so you can blend and take your drink with you. That's perfect for busy mornings or post-workout refueling. Plus, with over 7,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among smoothie enthusiasts. Now, some buyers mention that it can be a bit bulky for storage. Here's the thing, yes, it takes up some counter space, but the trade-off for that power and all the extras is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your kitchen. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or prefer a smaller, more portable unit. Given its price and features, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something compact. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach Portable Blender Raspberry. Check out the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender in Raspberry, priced at just $26.50. It's compact and super user-friendly, which is why it caught my eye. If you want an easy-to-use blender that you can take anywhere, this one deserves your attention. This little blender has a 14-ounce capacity and BPA-free travel cup, making it perfect for smoothies on the go. The durable stainless steel blades are designed to handle various ingredients, so you can whip up your favorite shake quickly. Plus, with 2,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many find this blender a reliable choice. Now, some users reported that it struggles with tougher items like frozen fruit. Here's the thing, if you're mostly blending soft fruits or pre-cut items, you'll be just fine. But if you're looking to blend ice frequently, this may fall short. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, portable blender for your smoothies. Skip this one if you blend a lot of frozen ingredients. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the Hamilton Beach's blending limitations made you hesitate, the next product might intrigue you even more. Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Portable Blender Coral. Next is another Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, this time in coral, priced at $31.56. It's essentially the same as the Raspberry model, but with a fun color that stands out. If you're after something stylish and practical, this might be for you. Like its counterpart, it features a 14-ounce capacity and BPA-free materials. With over 1,000 units sold, it's proving to be a popular choice among users who want a portable solution. Some folks noted that it doesn't always blend very thick smoothies well. Here's the thing, this isn't a high-powered machine like some others on this list, so it's better for lighter blends or shakes. If you're not too picky about texture, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a bit of flair in your kitchen and don't mind a less intense blending experience. Skip this one if you want something that tackles heavy blending tasks. For what it offers, it's a good buy. Now, if you want something even more compact and lightweight, the final product might just be the answer. Product number 5, Portable Mini Blender. Last but not least, we have the Portable Mini Blender, priced at just $18.96. This one is designed for those who need something super compact and budget-friendly. If you want a simple blender for quick smoothies, this is worth a serious look. With a 380 ml travel cup and 6 stainless steel blades, it's surprisingly powerful for its size. This blender is perfect for those quick morning smoothies and is light enough to carry with you wherever you go. It's a hit, with over 400 units sold recently, indicating many are finding it useful for their daily smoothies. Now, some users mention that it has a smaller capacity, which means you need to blend in batches if you're making smoothies for more than one person. Here's the thing, if you're usually blending just for yourself, this isn't an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need something that fits your lifestyle. Skip this one if you often make larger batches for family or friends. For the price, it's an excellent value. That wraps up our list of mini blenders. So to quickly compare, the NutriBullet offers power for serious blending, the Conceit gives you versatility and great value, while the Hamilton Beach models are perfect for portability in fun designs. Finally, the Portable Mini Blender is ideal for those who need something compact and budget-friendly. Each one has its strengths, so consider what you need most. Happy blending!